The following video will show you how to use TubeTag to track your sorbent tubes during analysis. In this video, we will track stainless steel sorbent tubes, but the same process also applies for glass tubes. To do this, you will need a sampled and capped sorbent tube pre-fitted with TubeTag, a tag lock tool, diff lock caps, and an automated Marks thermal desorption system loaded with the MIC software. To begin, remove the caps from your sampled and capped tube using the tag lock tool and replace with diff lock caps. Place the tubes in your auto sampler trays with the sampling end of the tube on the right. Load your TD method into a sequence and run. After the sequence has run, the tag will automatically be updated to show the most appropriate tag status, i.e. desorbed, recollected, conditioned, etc. The thermal cycle count will have increased, and the pressure ratio will become available. All the data stored on the tag will be saved to the sequence history, such as sample start and end times. The fields, leak test failures, and recollected from will also update if appropriate. You have the option to batch update at this point by running the TD utility tag update method. This method allows you to update tube status, number of thermal cycles, or clear sampling information from the tags. It is recommended to clear sample information after analysis. When ready, remove the tubes from the auto sampler, remove the diff lock caps and recap your tubes by placing a tag-ready long-term storage cap onto the non-sampling end of the tube and a long-term storage cap on the sampling end. Finger tighten each cap before quarter turning using a tag lock tool. Note: there are two ways to use the tag lock tool. In this direction, you can tighten tag-ready long-term storage caps, and in the opposite direction, you can accommodate standard long-term storage caps. Your tubes are now ready for storage, reconditioning if required, or sampling. For more information, visit marks.com.